Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with data annotation for AI training payouts step by step clearly. Once you reach the home page, locate the sign up or register button. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and any required credentials. Ensure that your password meets the specified security requirements. After filling in all necessary fields, review your information for accuracy. Next, submit the registration form by clicking on the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation message from DataAnnotation. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your registered email and password. Navigate to the Subscription tab in your account dashboard. Here, you will find various subscription options for AI training payouts. Review the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Click on the chosen plan to view more details and pricing information. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. Once you have entered your payment details, confirm your subscription. Upon successful payment, you should receive a confirmation message. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the support section for assistance. Enjoy your data annotation experience and the benefits that come with your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.